Hey guys, so we are here now. Nasa Progress kami ngayon. Grocery time.
Bili tayo ng conditioner para sa ating buhok na patay na. Tapos napkin, feminine wash.
At bumipili siya ng ballpen. So, bibili kami ng yellow apple. That's $2. How many you got? $2? $5? Ay, opo.
Citrus garlic. It's gone.
Pork belly.
Oh, season. Barbecue season.
Golden Flex. Oh, this is just for me. This is expensive. January.
What else, baby?
Okay mga kabeshi, nasa bahay na kami. Yeah! Medyo pagod. So, ayusin ko lang itong pinamili namin. So, dyan muna kayo. Thanks for watching. Bye! So, painit lang natin itong chicken. Yan, painit lang natin. Naputol to kasi nung hinugot ko sa lagayan. Nabalatan na. Got some pineapple and what is this? Velvet cake. It seems like it's not done.
Oh my God, it's gotta be. It's done.